shredded chicken. Did you the bay leaves? Did you scoop them out yet? I see one.
What?
You need. I put 3 in there total. I see
Okay, I think one came out. Just put it back.
No. Take them out.
Oh,
Where's the spoon? Get you a U.
Your husband can gist, eh? I tell you, I like that.
What you do, Pop? You keep running? You trying to get closer? Trying to get a little bit closer.
The man is working on the ball, so that's what you see. He told me right there, the man is working on the ball.
The doing though, Pop. That was the quarterback fault. He threw it too, directly to
Let me
him.
grab the fork so we can cut this chicken up too. Because we want it in bite-sized pieces, so it's going to be like chicken and dumplings. So you don't want big chunks.
Oh, okay. And I didn't cut that one because I thought only the ones with bones.
Mine goes to show. And you got any garbage that need to go in here? I'm just going to take it out.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah.
What did you say?
I don't know which
Uh-huh.
is
I did.
Do y'all want to take all those drumsticks off so y'all can put this in the trash?
Yeah.
You got something to put those in a bowl? You want to put them in a bowl?
Thank you.
Well, oh, no, that was... Oh, my God. Oh, he dropped. Woo! I was about to say, OMG, them niggas just scored a touchdown. Where they at? They in Chicago, ain't they? Oh, yeah, the Chicago dude won. Man, if that Chicago dude wouldn't have blocked that, it would have been over, boy.
Thank you.
You welcome. They about to kick a field goal there.
Who is it, LA?
Yeah, that's what they say. This is it right here. Did he miss it? Nope. Damn. They need to go back to the rule where you gotta win by touchdown instead of field goal. I don't think this ain't right, man. This ain't right. Between this game and the Buffalo game, getting the field goal overtime for the win, it just ain't right, man. They need to do it where you have to get a touchdown in order to win, man. That's how they need to do overtime. That field goal shit, that shit is whack. You heard me, Scott?
Okay.
Huh?
They need to go back to that where you got to get a touchdown in order to win it overtime. You know what I'm saying?
And then cut that in half.
Nope.
Or until like 4. So let me show you.
Nope. You can't win on no damn field goal. You got to score.
But will you not melt inside the food?
Huh?
If it's too small, is it not going to melt?
They need to go back to that rule, man. If you too deep, you get a field goal.
You need hand gloves?
No, I'm good.
the next time after Tuesday.
You gotta work tomorrow, Pop? Hey,
It's a holiday. Why you gotta work tomorrow?
Tomorrow is
did y'all do celebrate Martin Luther King Day?
Is what?
Martin Luther King holiday?
So people may have events tomorrow.
You said they don't believe that shit, Bob. Bob. I asked Dad, I said, Dad, you gotta work tomorrow? He said, yep.
Yep.
I said, did y'all know believe in Martin Luther King Day? He said, Gainesville don't believe in that
Chicken soup.
shit.
It's a federal holiday, bro.
Gainesville don't believe that shit.
It's a federal holiday. That should not be the case.
Isn't that crazy, bro? Gainesville don't believe in that shit. That's a national holiday, Pop. Martin Luther King Day. Right, that's a federal holiday, Pop. Even the banks is closed.
Oh, is it even is it?
Huh?
So can I dump this one?
They don't care about Martin Luther
Can
King.
I put this now?
No, we're gonna do it once we put the chicken back in, then we'll put it in here.
Man, that shit is funny. They don't care about that shit. Put a trash bag that probably cloud.
You need no trash bags. Okay, get it.
Yeah, you gonna put one in the trash can.
Yeah, the big one. We put a new one in here. Thank you.
Hey, babe, you want this little chicken wing? I can't put that in here.
Yeah, let me wash my hands first. Put it on the plate first.
No, put it in your mouth. Just put it in his mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll wash my hands touching on that nasty
Yeah. I should capture that in the camera to see. Oh, I didn't catch it.
That is the juice.
I was going to record this for my daughter to see.
Okay. She ain't got no skin.
What else? George is not like that? Huh? What the hell is he in there?
That was where them other cheap houses were that we was gonna think about moving to.
Man. I'm glad you did. They smell crazy up there. It looks like New Jersey out there. Right.
You want to put some in the plate for your husband?
Huh?
You wanted some in the plate.
No, hang on. Let's go in here. He'll be alright. We're gonna eat and leave. But let me just check in here and make sure I got all the chicken. Yeah, I found
Find another one.
I found the other one, but it's still one more. That I put three in.
So your mom said it should be cream, chicken, cream, and mushroom.
I know, I got all that. I got all that. I know. So I know, I got all that. Why she acting like I'm confused?
Everything's out.
I know, Mom.
Yeah, we did already.
She said take the bay leaves out before you.
Again, tell her I'm cooking. Tell her to leave it.
The chief chef is here. Tell her to relax. The chief herself is here. Don't worry.
One more round.
Or should we use this? The wrong one. Here. We want to use this. I mean, if there's anything to just keep it out.
Oh, there we go. Found the other one. Found the last one.
Oh, okay. The last belly.
Yep.
We need this. Order. There's no bone.
Yeah, no bone.
So what do you call this soup?
This is chicken and dumplings.
Chicken and what?
Dumpling?
Dumpling. Okay. I think I'll do the drumstick tomorrow. It's already late.
So now let's go ahead and dump all this chicken.
Be careful so it doesn't touch your dress. Oh, it's so funny. He's been laughing since he came to this house.
His laugh is. I'm so used to it that it doesn't bother me anymore. But when everybody else hears it, they laugh just because he laughed. His laugh.
But that's good. You should come around more often to make your mom laugh.
Oh yeah, he keep everybody laughing, even my dad.
doing right now, she's filleting the chicken to make sure all the bones
Yeah.
are out of the chicken. And she's gonna put it in the stew so that it can simmer and get all that succulent, juicy flavor.
And you don't even laugh. Oh my God.
I need to start my whole YouTube channel. Everybody say, man, you have the personality.
Yeah.
You need to do your own YouTube channel.
I think you should come more often.
You think so?
Yeah, because I've been hearing you laughing, and Sarah is laughing as well. You should come because I'm going to start recording her every weekend now.
Okay.
You should come make her laugh and then we want to grow her channel.
Life is too short. You have to laugh and have fun.
Honestly, I was just gossiping to your wife. I said, oh my God, the woman has been laughing all night.
Yep, laugh all night long, man.
It's very good.
Life is too, you have to enjoy life. Life is too short. You have to have fun.
Exactly.
You have to have fun, man.
Exactly. So, ready to put this?
Yeah.
Cream of chicken.
Yeah, this is the cream mushroom.
Are we going to rinse this with water?
No, it's fine.
Okay, cream of celery. Some cream of mushroom. Salt one. Cream of mushroom.
I'm gonna let this come up to a boil,
Okay.
and then we're gonna taste it and see if we need to add some more seasoning. And then once it's good, then we can go ahead and add the biscuits.
Okay, that's true. We still have the biscuits to add.
That's what she had some heavy cream. That's would have made it even better. But
What kind of cream?
candy whipping cream.
Whipping cream? Yeah, there's whipping cream here.
It is.
Yeah. Is it this?
No, that's made.
No, that's Miracle whipped cream.
Not that's mayo too.
Oh, really? I thought this was whipped cream. Is it the one we use for cake?
Heavy whipping cream. You can use it to make whipped cream. You
Let
can
me
use it
let
to
me
make-
check the pantry. This is cheese, cream cheese. There's no whipped cream here. No whipped cream here. Is that supposed to act as a thickener? The whipped cream, is it going to act as thickener to make it thick? Oh.
make it even thicker. But I mean, this is gonna thicken up, so that's why I said I'm gonna leave this alone, let this thicken up.
Because I like to cook a bit. And then we add the
It'll thicken
biscuits.
up a little bit, and then once we add the biscuits,
Should be good. Thank you so much.
let this sit for like 2 minutes.
Okay. This, make this tomorrow. I'm cooking this tomorrow. I should use this to make some pepper soup. I have the jollof rice already. This is what it looks like. All that chicken. Chicken dumplings. I'm going to be adding biscuits soon. Adding biscuits. I should put everything back. Yep. Yep. This will be in the fridge. Onions will be in the fridge. Like pepper. Onions will be there. Onions will be there. this. These biscuits will go in when it's boiling. This little rolls will go together. To create space to put the soup. When we are ready, soup will go in here, and this will come here. Keep it refrigerated. Yep. Slice them in here. Need to leave space for space for the It's nice.